So guys, I have to say guys, please watch the video from start to till the end, because in today's we are sharing our screen with particular this silk saree sales executive guys. Yeah guys, we are having our Prince sir, who I think know that how many varieties are having in our silk variety guys. So guys, many of the beautiful varieties and many of your queries will be counted in this video, so please watch the video from start to till the end. I asked him that how many varieties you are going to be showing, what will be the ranges, and how it going to be performed. So we have two different silk section guys. Yeah, from the starting range of 185 to 3000. ओके, तो जो पहला सेक्शन है उसमें कहाँ तक की रेंज मिलती है?
उसमें 185 से लेके आपको 700 तक मिलेगी.
ओके, टॉकिंग अबाउट द फर्स्ट सिल्क सेक्शन, द लोअर एंड सेक्शन विल बी हैविंग द रेंज ऑफ 185 रुपीज टू 700 रुपीज, एंड द नेक्स्ट वन,
नेक्स्ट सेक्शन में आपको 700 से लेके 3000 तक मिलेगी.
नेक्स्ट सिल्क सेक्शन विल बी द range of 700 rupees to 3000 rupees. So I have to say that now today I am gonna standing in high range collection guys. Yeah, above some of the 700 rupees to 3000 collections we are showing in today's video. So please watch the video from start to till the end. So I asked him that what will be the minimum investment you have to do to contact our company guys. That he will say that 20 to 25,000 will be the minimum amount to contact our company. Either you having your own shop, or you are doing your full-time job, or you are want to start your new business in the textile industry, then it's one of the golden opportunity for you guys. So तो प्रिंस जी, अपने कस्टमर के लिए सुविधाएं क्या क्या है? सीओडी है?
सीओडी भी है हमारे पास. ये अगर कोई किसी कस्टमर अगर आते हैं,
हाँ,
अगर वो फ्री मतलब जैसे 3 लाख का बजट वो बताए, अगर उसका अगर प्रोडक्ट अगर अच्छा रहा, उन लोग ज्यादा परचेज कर ले, अब उसका 4 लाख बजट चल गया, और वही 3 लाख जो बजट लेके आए वो आप जमा करवा वो घर जाके अपना ट्रांसफर करवा सकते हैं. उनका माल जैसे परचेज हुआ वैसा ही सेफ्टी से ही रखा जाता है यहाँ पे.
Right. So guys, he want to say that COD facility will be available. Like you having the 3 lakh rupees in amount, then you do the purchasing of 4 lakhs or 5 lakhs. Then you have you can spend the 3 lakhs, and the rest of the amount when you will go to your native place, at that time you can do the payment which are lacking. So guys, many of the beautiful collections I want to share with you. तो प्रिंस जी, एक वैरायटी, एक कलेक्शन आप बताइए. और ये तो चलो विजिटिंग वालों के लिए हो गया. मुझे अब ये बताइए कि अगर ऑनलाइन क्या सुविधा दी जाती है? समझो कि भाई आई आस्क्ड हिम दैट इफ some customers they are not capable or able to visit our company, for them what will be the work of online process will be done here. So बताइए. Guys, he want to say that we providing this kind of barcode system guys. You want to be see that in Surat guys, in Surat textile industry, we are the one who started these kind of the barcode system guys. Yeah, in that barcode system, what will be the range, how many pieces you want to be get, what will be the fabric, what will be the length, all the necessary questions will be cleared in this kind of the barcode system. And guys, you have to purchase in a set wise. I have to clear that single piece will not be delivered. You have to purchase in a set wise, like in each set 6 to 7 different color shades you want to be getting. So guys, for whom they are not able to come here and visit our company, for them he is saying we provide you online call facility guys. Yeah, there are the number which are available in your screen. You have to call those number and they will give you all the details and all the photos of sarees, kurtis, lehengas, all the necessary varieties of photo in the medium of WhatsApp with particular range also. And apart from that, we provide a video call facility also. On that video call facility, whatever the product you're going to be selected, the same exact product will be delivered at your doorstep. So guys, I think talk's gonna be too much. Now the time of showing the saree gonna be away. तो प्रिंस जी एक एक करके वैरायटी बताते जाइए, और भी बहुत सारे सवालात बाकी है, वो भी करेंगे। तो बताइए, वैरायटी बताइए पहले।
ये सिल्क पे आ गया।
ओके,
ये सॉफ्ट सिल्क बोलते हैं।
राइट राइट राइट। दिस गोना बी कॉल्ड द सॉफ्ट सिल्क item guys. You gonna be seeing beautiful pallu, and apart from that, these kind of the beautiful threading tassels work gonna be also done here. You gonna be seeing guys, see how you gonna be see in these kind of the beautiful variety. See guys, apart from that, इसकी लगभग एक रेंज बता दीजिए।
ये 700 से लेके 999 तक आएगी।
So guys, in this you wanna be having like range of 700 rupees to 999 rupees. That kind of the ranges you wanna be getting in this kind of the variety. See guys, unstitched blouse also you wanna be getting. See, he will also not giving a particular range idea, because it's not possible to remember all the ranges guys. So that's why I give you only the approximate range idea. If you know to the further or particular range, then you have to call the screen available number. Next variety, which
ये कॉटन सिल्क है।
Okay, the fabric you're gonna be getting like cotton silk, amazing work gonna be done in pallu. And previously I showed some of the fancy tassels are there, but in this also some of the threading work gonna be done in the pallu you're gonna be noticing. Like see guys, and apart from that guys, these kind of the beautiful our company KTC, KSA Textile Company tag will also be there. We're gonna be mentioning guys. See guys, so guys, in this concept beautiful you're gonna be getting unstitched blouse also. Like see guys, contrasting designing kind of concept. And apart from that, many of the varieties you're gonna be having how beautiful concept. तो मुझे ये बताइए, लीची सिल्क, ओके, दिस गोना बी कॉन्सेप्ट हैविंग लीची सिल्क. We are having all over regional taste. We are having also, apart from that, we are having beautiful some of the occasional kind of sarees. We are send our customers some of the abroad sarees too guys. See, in this kind of the variety you're gonna be getting beautiful concept guys. See, in this kind of the variety unstitched blouse also you're gonna be getting. See, so guys, now the question of credibility I have to ask him guys. Question of credibility means the same product will be delivered to you or not. There will be not having any kind of the damages or defectives in any of our saree. He purely neglecting the misleading and fraudulent activities guys. Yeah, because in this our company you're gonna be getting some of the amazing concepts as it is at your doorstep guys. This once you want to say guys. See, और मुझे ये बताइए, आई हैव टू आस्क द रिपीटेड कस्टमर रेशियो गाइस. मुझे ये बताइए प्रिंस जी, अपने पास रिपीट जो कस्टमर आ रहे हैं उनका क्या रेशियो है? अच्छे भले आ रहे हैं या कितना, मतलब क्या है?
हमारे पास जो भी कस्टमर रिपीट आ रहे हैं वो मतलब उनको अच्छा लगता है प्रोडक्ट. हमारे प्रोडक्ट में प्रॉफिट कमाते हैं, वही कस्टमर रिपीट आते हैं. और
इनके बावजूद भी ये बताइए कि भाई रिपीट आने वाले ज्यादा हैं या फिर नए आने वाले ज्यादा?
हमारे पास रिपीट आने वाले ज्यादा है.
ओके, I ask them that who they are wanting the new startup, they are coming more, or compared to they already purchased and repeated their orders. He said the repeated customers are maximum arriving our company. और उन रिपीटेड कस्टमर्स का भी मुझे लगता है कि इतना भरोसा हो गया होगा आपकी कंपनी पे और आप पे कि एक बार या दो बार आके परचेसिंग किए होंगे, तीसरी बार में सारा ऑर्डर व्हाट्सएप पे या वीडियो कॉल पे ही हो जा रहा है.
ऑनलाइन ही मंगाते हैं, व्हाट्सएप से ही मंगवाते हैं.
ओके,
वो सामने से बोलते हैं कि बार बार उतना दूर से आ नहीं पाते, अपना वो वीडियो कॉल से ही देख के अपना प्रोडक्ट सेलेक्ट करके
मंगवा देते. मतलब इतना भरोसेमंद है अपनी कंपनी, राइट? सो गाइस, मेनी ऑफ द वेराइटीज, मेनी ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट्स आई हैव टू से that repeated customers like I have to say that repeated customers having lots of faith, guys. Yeah, they visit once or twice our company, and at the third time they ordered in a WhatsApp or in the medium of video call, guys. Yeah, they are not needed to visit our company, and because they have that kind of the trust and faith that we are one of the honest and one of the trustable company in today's market. So last but not the least, वन मोर वेराइटी आई हैव टू शो यू. ये वाली वेराइटी कौन सी होने वाली है? बड़ी खास एकदम चमक रही है, क्या बात है?
सिल्क की है.
हाँ,
पैटनी बोलते हैं.
ओके, विच आर हाईली प्रिफरेबल इन द महाराष्ट्रियन रीजन.
जी हाँ.
राइट, यू गोना बी सी सम ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल कॉन्सेप्ट, ब्यूटीफुल ट्रेडिशनल पैरेट डिजाइनर कॉन्सेप्ट यू गोना बी गेटिंग. These kind of the sarees which are highly preferable in our Maharashtrian region, guys. Yeah, all the necessary taste you gonna be getting, guys. See, beautiful concept, unstitched blouse also you're going to be getting, guys. See, so guys, अब मुझे ये बताइए कि अपने पास, खैर ये सवाल मुझे पहले ही पूछ लेना चाहिए था लेकिन अभी भी पूछ लेता हूँ कि रेंजेस में जो आपने बताए हैं कलेक्शंस, एक आधा मुझे ये बताइए कि थोड़ा वो शादी ब्याहों के लिए बताते हैं. हाँ, उस टाइप का मुझे ब्राइडल हो गया. हाँ, ब्राइडल और थोड़ा वो बॉक्स पैकेजिंग, उस टाइप की वेराइटी भी मुझे बताइए.
ये ब्राइडल में आ जाएगा.
राइट,
बनारसी सिल्क बोलते हैं.
ओके, लाइक some of the medium ranges or concepts. Okay, right, these kind of the box packagings are also you going to be getting, guys. See how beautiful it was. This awesome wedding silk, the article name you're going to be getting, and the next variety you're going to be getting, guys. See, in these kind of the beautiful heavy bridal wear concepts you're going to be getting, guys. See, all that, these kind of the beautiful concepts you're going to be having, guys. Apart from that, all the necessary details you're going to be shared you, like COD and the video call or WhatsApp, all I think shared you. और प्रिंस जी, मुझे लगता है अगर अभी भी कोई अगर सवाल कुछ बचे होंगे हमारे कस्टमर्स के, तो आपको फिर से वीडियो में हाजिर होना पड़ेगा अगली बार. और सो गाइस, प्लीज आस्क एनी ऑफ योर क्वेश्चंस, पेंडिंग क्वेश्चंस, लेफ्ट क्वेश्चंस यू गोना बी आस्क्ड इन आवर कमेंट सेक्शन. टिल देयर, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टेक केयर, गुड बाय.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम.